Very good morning to all of you. This is my video number 56 and it is my chapter 5 and I have given you 11 problems of this chapter. Take the screenshot of these problems and it is very interesting topic. As the name of my topic is integrate without integration, and this comes from the basic concept of permutation combination. The name of the permutation and combination is count without counting. You have to count but without counting. Similarly, here you have to integrate but without integration. And there are two formulas. What are those? E to the power x fx plus f dash x. If you integrate it, then it becomes e to the power x fx plus c. E to the power minus x, then it is f dash x minus fx. Then the integration result is e to the power minus x fx. Now look at here. I am telling it again. E to the power x husband means fx, wife means f dash x. The result is e to the power x fx. तो तुमने ये नहीं मत सोचो कि वाइफ का नाम क्यों नहीं होता है, ये बात नहीं है. सपोज एक आदमी तुम्हारे घर आया शादी के कार्ड देने के लिए, तो क्या लिखा जाता है? पहले वाइफ को इंपोर्टेंस दिया जाता है, इसलिए लिखा होता है मिसेस हाई स्लैश मिस्टर एक्स. पहले मातृजाति का सम्मान होता है, लेकिन ये तो ठीक है, लेकिन यहाँ क्या होता है? Look at here, e to the power x fx, it is husband, f dash x, it is wife, and the result is e to the power x fx plus c. And in this case, similarly, if e to the power minus x will be there, then f dash x minus fx, then the result is e to the power minus x fx. Now you decide what is what. Now how it comes, I am explaining you the formula 1 and you should do by yourself the formula 2. E to the power x fx plus f dash x dx. Now I am e to the power x fx dx is here and e to the power x f dash x dx is here. Both are integrating here. I am not touching to this part, I am touching to this part. What is that? E to the power x fx dx. And you know, in Euler formula, which will come first? I-L-A-T-E. The exponential will be always the last function. Here it is second function. Any function will be before exponential, inverse, logarithmic, algebra, trigonometry. Anyone will be there. So it will be treated as the first function. So first integration second minus derivative first into integration second, uska whole integration, and I am keeping as it is. Now it is e to the power, it is fx, ये fx है. E to the power x का integration क्या होता है? fx is writing here. E to the power x का integration क्या है? E to the power x. So I am writing e to the power x fx and derivative of fx is f dash x. E to the power x integration e to the power x, and I am keeping as it is. Now look at it is e to the power x f dash x, it is e to the power f dash x. Now they cancel. The result is what? E to the power x fx plus c. Similarly, you can do this not by opening f dash x. You should open what? E to the power minus x fx. You will find. Now look at the problems. I will tell you one by one. Now look at number 50. E to the power x tan x plus ln sec x. I am writing it here. Among this, decide which you have to take fx and which one will become f dash x. Suppose I am taking tan x as fx. Then इसका derivative tan x का कितना है? Sec square x. Is it there? No. Now I will take as fx ln sec x. ln जितना उसका डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा? f dash x 1 by उतना means 1 by sec x into derivative of sec x, that is sec x tan x. They cancel, it becomes tan x. So if I will take ln fx as my fx, then tan x is its derivative f dash x. Now the whole integration will be what? As we know, e to the power x fx plus f dash x will be, if it is there, you should not integrate it. The result is directly e to the power x fx. That's why its name is integrate without integration. Now I am going to integrate it without integration, because I am getting fx, I am getting f dash x, e to the power x is there. The formula is e to the power x fx plus f dash x, and the answer is e to the power x fx plus c, e to the power x into fx means ln sec x plus c. Okay. Now number 51. Now for problem number 51, it is e to the power x cot x ln sin x. Cot x का डेरिवेटिव कितना है? cos x square x minus cos x square x. Is it there? No. So you should take fx as what? ln sin x. इसका डेरिवेटिव है देखो fx ln sin x. इसका डेरिवेटिव f dash x. ln जितना 1 by उतना डेरिवेटिव of sin x, that is cos x. So it is f dash x is cos x by sin x, that is cot x. So it is e to the power x ln sin x. I am taking it fx. Then cot x is f dash x. The result is e to the power x ln sin x plus c. Okay? It is fx, it is f dash x. Without integration I am doing it. But in exam you have to write this formula here. What is that? E to the power x fx plus f dash x integration is equal to e to the power x fx. You have to write the formula. Okay? Look at question number 52. It is e to the power x by x 1 plus x ln x by x. But in my formula is there any by x? So it is only e to the power x. So what we have to do? There is a disturbing element, that is 1 by x. So put it inside. It becomes what? 1 by x plus x ln x by x, x ln x by x, x cancel. It becomes what? It becomes, here it is x ln x, I am writing it, x ln x by x, x cancel. Now it is ln x, it is 1 by x. Now they are in very good position. One is fx, one is f dash x. I am writing it here. Answer is e to the power x fx, fx means ln x. You have to create knowledge from the problem itself. E to the power x by x. Why this x? Take it inside. That is the trick. Okay? Now look at this problem. X e to the power x by 1 plus x whole square. ये क्या हुआ? ये तो एक ही टर्म आया ना. E to the power x I am keeping outside e to the power x. Then e to the power x into x by x plus 1 square. तो एक ही टर्म आया e to the power x. This is a single thing. But according to my formula, you have to separate in two parts. So for this, what you have to do? Look at here, numerator. Look at the denominator. In the numerator, you can do this x plus 1 minus 1. Now you can separate it x plus 1 by x plus 1 square. It is 1 by x plus 1. And it is minus 1 by x plus 1 square. Look at here. There are two things. And one of them should fx. Another should f dash x. You can make a trial by taking this is your fx. F dash x is 1 by x plus 1 or not? Observe by yourself. And another important thing is that here there is what sign? Plus sign. If you will take 1, it is e to the power x, not e to the power minus x. So e to the power x, one must be fx, another must be f dash x. So in this case, this take plus and take it as minus 1. Okay? Now look at what is fx. Fx is 1 by x plus 1. Naturally, f dash x is what? And look at here, it is x plus 1 to the power minus 1. X plus 1 to the power minus 1. Its derivative is minus 1 into x plus 1 to the power minus 2. That is what? X plus 1 square. Now this is your fx, this is f dash x. And the answer is what? And the answer is e to the power x. This is fx. This is your fx, and this is your f dash x. And answer is what? E to the power x fx means e to the power x fx means what? 1 by x plus 1 plus. Okay? Very interesting problem. Look at problem number 54. It is 1 by ln x minus 1 by ln x square fx. My formula is what? E to the power x fx प्लस एफ डैश एक्स, इसका जो होल इंटीग्रेशन है वो इसका रिजल्ट क्या है? e to the power x fx plus this is my formula. I am dealing with this. Now here ln x is coming and 1 by ln x square is there. There is no e to the power x. Then what you will do? Now first this is ln x. Put this as t. T is equal to ln x. Then t, what is ln x? That is log x with base e. Then x is what? X is e to the power t. Then dx is what? E to the power t dt. Now बहता हुआ झरना की तरह वो आ गया किसी फॉर्म में, वो x में था, आ गया t के फॉर्म में, भागीरथी के फॉर्म में था, गंगा के फॉर्म में आ गया. तो क्या हुआ? 1 by ln x. What I am writing it? 1 by t minus 1 by t square. What is dx? dx is क्या? E to the power t dt. Now we have to arrange this in which manner? 1 by t, okay, plus minus 1 by t square minus 1 by t square e to the power t dt, e to the power t dt. It is ft, it is f dash t, ft plus f dash t e to the power t dt. What is its integration? Integration is e to the power t ft. Don't think every time you will get f e to the power x fx plus f dash x. It is t e to the power t ft plus f dash t. आंसर इज e to the power t into ft. e to the power t into ft मतलब क्या है? 1 by t plus c. तो e to the power t का प्लेस में मुझे क्या पुट करना है? x पुट करना है. 1 by t का मतलब क्या है? t मतलब क्या है? ln x. तो 1 by t मतलब 1 by ln x. So finally it is x by ln x plus c. Very interesting problem for your board examination. Mind it. Okay. Now problem number 55, it is sin ln x dx. And sin ln x dx, what I am doing there? I am putting just t is equal to ln x. T is equal to ln x. X is what? E to the power t. And dx is what? E to the power t dt. And the problems come in this form. बहता हुआ वो आ गया. किसका फॉर्म है? sin t. In place of dx I am writing e to the power t dt. And here you can apply the formula e to the power at sin bt means bt. E to the power at sin bt dt. You can apply this, but it is one method. But I am telling a very trick method. You should remember it. What is that? Multiply 1 by 2. Divide here 2. Multiply 2 sin t. What I am writing here? Look at this. I am writing it as sin t minus cos t plus cos t plus sin t. Then you will ask, sir, why you are writing like this? देखो, पहला बात है cos t कैंसिल हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? हुआ. sin t plus sin t, 2 sin t हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? हुआ. तो look at here, sin t minus cos t. sin t का डेरिवेटिव कितना है? cos t है. एंड माइनस cos t का डेरिवेटिव कितना है? माइनस है. यहाँ तो cos t का डेरिवेटिव माइनस sin t है. तो माइनस माइनस क्या हुआ? sin t हुआ. तो 2 sin t में मैंने क्या देखा? यहाँ मैंने महादेव को देखा, तो यहाँ पार्वती को देखा. तो यहाँ ft हुआ, तो वहाँ f dash t हुआ. हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? It is your technique. It is your mind power. How you do this? Making one one Lakshmi, another Narayana, one Shiva, another Parvati. It is your trick. Now look at here. E to the power t, according to my formula, if e to the power t ft plus f dash t dt, then formula is e to the power t, answer is e to the power t ft. Integrate without integration. It 1 by 2 is constant there. 1 by 2 e to the power t without integration. E to the power t ft. Ft means sin t minus cos t. Then what will do? You should put the value. What is answer will be there? Answer is 1 by 2. In place of e to the power t, what you have to put? X. And in sin t you have to write sin t means what? Sin ln x. And then what? Then minus cos ln x. Cos ln x plus c you have to write. Okay? Number 56. So in my cricket over, 5 balls are there. One is off spin, leg spin, like this. Off spin, leg spin, off spin, leg spin. Then my 6th ball is a straight one. Then what the batsman will think? Think either it is off spin or that is leg spin. But straight चला आएगा. ये straight problem है. Sin x into ln cosec x. ln cosec x minus cot x. It is not in the form. Look at here. Then in this case, what you will do? You have to think. Which one is first function? Which one should your first function? Which one should be your second function? In this case, what you have to do? Take this part as your first function and this part as your second function. Then what will there? First, this is first. Integration of second minus derivative of first into integration of second. Now look at here. ln cosec x minus cot x. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. And derivative of ln cosec x minus cot x minus 1 by cosec x minus cot x into derivative of cosec x minus cosec x cot x. Derivative of cot x is what? Minus cosec square. Minus minus plus cosec square. And integration of sin is minus cos x. Now I am writing cos x to minus cos x into ln cosec x minus cot x, and here is minus is there. So I am taking this minus as plus cosec x minus cot x here. Taking cosec x common from this cosec x, it is cosec x minus cot x. Now they cancel. It becomes cosec x into cos x dx. Now cosec x is what? Cosec x is, tell me, it is 1 by sin x into cos x. So the entire thing becomes cot x. Integration of cot x. I am erasing it and writing it in this place, cot x. And integration of cot x is what? It is minus cos x ln cosec x minus cot x, and integration of cot x is ln sin x plus c, and it is your answer. Now look at 57, problem number 57. It is e to the power x square plus 1 by x plus 1 whole square. Now what am I doing this here? Looking to the denominator, I arrange the numerator as x square plus 1 is x square minus 1 plus 2. X square minus 1 plus 2, it is x square plus 1. Now I divide x square minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square and 2 by x plus 1 whole square. Now I divide this into such a manner that in future it will be one part is fx, another part will be f dash x. Now look at here. What is there? X square minus 1. It is x plus 1 into what? X minus 1. So here the x plus 1 and the x plus 1 they cancel. Now the denominator is x plus 1 and the numerator it is what? X minus 1. I am writing it again by arranging it writing it again in the form x square minus 1 by this, and this x square minus 1 is x minus 1 into x plus 1, and cancelling this becomes x minus 1 by x plus 1. And if I will take this fx, then it will be your f dash x. How? Look at here. Fx, x minus 1 by x plus 1. Apply u by v. V, derivative of u is 1 minus u, derivative of v, 1 by x plus 1 whole square. It is 1 cancel, it becomes x minus of minus x, x cancel, sorry, and it becomes 2 by x plus 1 whole square. Now one is fx, another is f dash x, e to the power x, fx means x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus c. And here what you have to do, you have to write the formula of e to the power x fx plus f dash x is e to the power x fx. Okay. Now look at problem 58. This is the most important, difficult problem among all these. Now e to the power x I am writing here. Sin 4x I am writing sin 2 into 2x, and giving a topi means cap mark here. Theta, that is theta, minus 4 by 1 minus cos 4x, 2 into 2x. And just you have to remember two formula. 1 minus cos 2 theta. It is 2 sin square theta. Means theta, in place of theta I will write what? 2 sin square theta means what? 2x. 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 sin square theta. Theta is what? 2x. And sin 2 theta is what? 2 sin theta cos theta. Means 2 sin theta means 2x, cos theta cos 2x minus 4. Now you have to separate this. 2 sin 2x cos 2x by 2 sin square 2x minus 4 by 2 sin square 2x whole dx. Now e to the power x. If you cancel, it becomes sin 2x sin square 2x. They cancel. It becomes sin 2x cos 2x by sin 2x. It is cot 2x. And 4 by 2, it is 2. And it is minus. I am taking plus minus. What is this? It is 2 cosec square 2x. It is fx, it is f dash x. E to the power x, fx plus f dash x dx. It is what? Integration result is e to the power x, fx. Fx means what? Cot 2x plus. Okay? This is very trick problem. Look at number 59. Now look at number 59. It is e to the power x. 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. Now separate them. 1 by 1 plus cos x plus sin x by 1 plus cos x. And you know it is 1 by 1 plus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2. In place of sin x, I am writing it 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. And 1 plus cos x is what? 2 cos square x by 2. Now it becomes 1 by 2 sec square x by 2 plus, and this is cos x by 2 cos x by 2. When they cancel, 2 cancel, it becomes tan x by 2. Naturally, the derivative of tan x by 2 is what? Tan x by 2, if I am putting it fx, then tan x by 2 का derivative होगा sec square x by 2 into derivative of x by 2, that is half. So derivative of tan x by 2 is half sec square x by 2. Naturally it is fx, this is f dash x. And in my formula, you have to write the formula. E to the power x fx plus f dash x is e to the power x fx. Fx means what? Tan x by 2 plus c. Okay? Now look at the last problem. That is e to the power x 1 minus x whole square by 1 plus x square whole square. Just expand it. It is 1 plus x square minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. Now divide this to this. It is 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square whole square. That is 1 by 1 plus x square plus minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. And this is your fx. This is your fx. And this is your f dash x. Fx is what? Fx is 1 by 1 plus x square. I am taking 1 plus x square to the power minus 1. Then f dash x will be what? f dash x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into derivative of 1 plus x square, that is 2x. It is 2x by minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square. So taking it is fx and taking and it becomes f dash x. And we know the formula of e to the power x fx plus f dash x is e to the power x fx, that is 1 by 1 plus x square. You all observe all these problems from 50 to 60. 11 problems are there. And first, it is my sincere advice to you. First, you observe what happens there. After that, you should do by yourself. Don't look to the answers. If you look the answers, then your mind power will not improve. On the next video, I will teach you another thing, that is the reduction formula. And the reduction formula, though it is not in the course of plus 2 syllabus, but it is very, very important for you. Though it is not in your syllabus, but it is very, very important for you for the exam. Example, suppose someone is telling you integrate sec to the power 5, sine to the power 8, sine to the power 7. At that time, in the reduction formula, I will give you formula and you will do that type of problem. Sine power n, cos power n, tan power n, cot power n, sec power n, cosec power n in 2 to 4 lines. That is very important. So see the next video, video number 57. That is very important for you. Okay.